In order to remove someone from Snapchat, you need to follow the simple steps. First, go ahead, launch your Snapchat application on your mobile device, log into your account, then tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, tap on the settings or the gear icon in the top right. Now from the profile menu that appears, you need to scroll all the way down and there you'll see the section of friends. Now tap on My Friends option. Here you'll get the list of the friends. Now find the person that you want to remove or unfriend. Once you do that, you'll get the option of Manage Friendship. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll get 4 different options of Block, Report, Remove Friend, and Edit Display Name. Tap on Remove Friend and tap on Remove again to confirm, and you'll be done. This is how you can go ahead and remove a friend on Snapchat. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.